Both of you, can you see the screen? Yes.
teacher.
Let's start. Okay. Who is going to read for me? First, let's start with the Kedar. Yes.
I live first in my little house and live there very well. Their world to
The
me
world. Yeah, the world.
was small and round and made of pearl blue shell.
Pale
I
blue
live
shade. Okay, wait. Fine. I lived first in a little house. Okay,
I
first.
live
Yeah. Stop. Kedar, stop. Okay, I lived in a little house. I lived there very well. The world to me was small and round, and I made of pale blue shell. What this bird is talking? Ki first I was living like in the egg, है ना? So the egg was pale, like living in a shell. पहले वो shell में रहते थे. Then afterwards, what it saw? It's a pale blue shell on a little and round one. It's talking about the egg. Then next, Ali, read the second.
I live next in a little nest, not need any other. I thought the wall was made of straw and covered by mother.
Okay. I lived next in a little nest. Then after come hatch from the egg, what the bird says? I lived in a little nest. Nest पता है birds का nest and nor needed any other. Nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw. हम जहाँ रहते हैं हमें लगता है कि world ऐसे ही बना है, right? Because that bird did not see anything outside. So that bird thought कि पूरा वर्ल्ड किससे बना हुआ है ओनली स्ट्रॉ स्ट्रॉ मीन्स व्हाट हियर बोथ ऑफ यू कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज स्ट्रॉ ओवर हियर
Sticks.
स्टिक्स जो घास फूस बर्ड्स इकट्ठा करते हैं टू गैदर दे गैदर द ऑल द स्ट्रॉ टू मेक द नेस्ट एंड हाउ व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ दैट नेस्ट इट इज लुक लाइक दैट wings are like brown yeah
Brown.
yes and covered by my mother अभी birds लोगों को उनके mom ही cover करके रखते हैं they kept in the nest right so this was the thought by the bird now next Kedar
One day I faltered from my nest to see what I could find. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind.
yeah one day I fluttered मतलब फड़फड़ा के ऐसे बाहर निकलना yes movement of the wings क्योंकि they grown up the bird is grown up और वो बाहर उड़ ना गई तो to see what could I find I said the world is made up of leaves I have been very blind लेकिन मुझे पहले लगता था कि वर्ड किससे बना है the world is made of सिर्फ पत्तों से बना क्योंकि उसका नेस्ट ऑल मेड अप ऑफ straw so हम लोग जहाँ रहते that thought only we are having but once he started flutter उसने क्या देखा कि no I was very blind word तो बहुत अलग है right now Ali next
Yes, teacher. At
last
last, I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you?
yes at last I flew beyond the tree मैं tree के beyond गई okay and I saw the sky so blue I saw sky is blue now how the world is really made now the bird come to know this world is something different not it not it is limited in a nest and leaves and tree it is more beyond the thought of the bird I cannot tell can you means I cannot express how the world is so this all thought whose thought it was thought of bird because bird lives in a nest so bird thought ki it is only just made up of like twigs or a straw or a leaves but once you come out from the nest saw sky is blue and saw so many change so many different things the world is made of. This poem is clear to both of you? Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, 1 minute. Next. Find out the list the rhyming words from the poem. Ali, tell me the rhyming words.
Well, cell,
Yes.
other, mother,
Yes.
line,
Yes.
blue, you.
Okay. So these are the rhyming words. Now next. Now next is you just have to recite the poem. Only this thing was there. Okay. Now Ali and Kedar. This poem is clear. What the poem
Yes, teacher.
says. What poem says. What there in the poem. Everything is clear.
Yes, teacher.
Let's start with the lesson. Can you see?
No, teacher.
Oh, wait.
No, teacher.
Okay, okay. Now can you see?
Yes, teacher.
Who, can you see who is that person?
Major Dhyanchand. Player.
Sorry?
Major Dhyanchand.
Major Dhyan Chand. Okay. So I think this lesson is completed in your school, right?
Yes, teacher.
So who was Major Dhyan Chand? What he did? Yes, can you tell me?
Hockey. Teacher, hockey player.
He was
Hockey
hockey,
player.
only hockey player.
The national hockey player.
Only,
Soldier.
yeah, he was army soldier, right? Okay. So today we are going to study about the Major Dhyan Chand lesson. Okay. So Major Dhyan Chand, who was he? He was a hockey player and he was the army soldier in India, right? Now let's see. Both of you, can you see the screen?
No, teacher.
No. 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, now Okay. So now, yeah. So Germany against India. This is what here, no? He was born in Saturday, 15 August 1930. It was, sorry, it was not born. It was Saturday, 15 August 1936. It was the day of hockey final during the Olympic event held in Berlin. Which day it was? Hockey match. Okay. So, and where it was held? This
Germany.
Germany. Olympic event held in Berlin in Germany. Germany has defeated several teams to enter the final. जर्मनी हैड डिफीटेड, मतलब ये ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ मैच हो चुका था और एंड दे वोन एंड दे रीच टिल द फाइनल अगेंस्ट द इंडिया टीम. फाइनल में विच टू टीम्स वर देयर? जर्मनी एंड इंडिया.
Germany.
Yeah, Germany and India. They were the hosts of Olympics and they were sure their victory. Germany were the host और उनको पता था कि they are only going to win the match. Perhaps that was the reason why their ruler Hitler had himself come to watch the match. इसलिए there who came to watch the match?
Hitler.
Hitler came himself to watch the match. All the day before, it had rained heavily. What happened afterwards?
Rain.
Rain, and that to be very heavily, बहुत ज़्यादा. The entire field had become waterlogged. Waterlogged means everywhere you can see the water. Yeah, but 15th August being a last day of the game and it was not possible to postpone the match any further. वो क्या था? Last day था. So it was not possible to postpone the match. You know what is the postpone?
Cancel.
हाँ, इसको थोड़ा आगे means today it's supposed to happen. We can schedule after 2 days or 3 days like that. So it was not possible. The Indian team was little under pressure. फिर उनको pressure हो गया. They are quite tense as they had lost Germany in the practice match because they lost a practice match and they were not very comfortable with the wet ground. उनको because it was raining heavily, so they were not comfortable with the सब जगह गिल्ला हो गया, waterlogged happened. So they become tense. It happens with us also ना कि कुछ भी गड़बड़ हो जाएगा last moment में तो we are feeling little pressured, थोड़ा tense हो जाते हैं, right? So same thing happened with the Indian team. About 40,000 people had gathered in hockey stadium. How many people were gathered? कितने सारे लोग देखने के लिए आए थे? About 40,000 people to cheer Germany against India. किसको cheer करने आए थे? Germany को, because that match held in the Germany, so Germany people came to cheer Germany against India. The Maharaja of Baroda state, the Prince of Bhopal, and a few other Indians had also come to support the Indian team. Maharaja also came and Prince of Bhopal, those people came to support the Indian team. Next, the match started exactly at 11 a.m. What time it started?
11 a.m.
11 a.m. The German team had adopted a novel strategy of using the Indian technique of short distance passes against the Indian team itself. मतलब उनके पास में एक स्ट्रैटेजी थी कि इंडिया के अगेंस्ट कैसे खेलना है. They had resorted to a very aggressive play the Indian team was offering an equally strong resistance. मतलब इंडिया टीम ने भी ऐसे डिसाइड किया था कि उनके अगेंस्ट हमें कैसे खेलना है. नो टीम कुड मेक अ गोल ड्यूरिंग द फर्स्ट हाफ आवर. कि कोई भी टीम ने फर्स्ट हाफ एन आवर में कोई भी गोल नहीं बना पाए थे. ड्यूरिंग द 32nd minute, रूप सिंह स्कोर्ड द फर्स्ट गोल. Who scored the first goal?
Roop Singh.
Roop Singh scored the first goal, hitting the ball toward the goal post from a difficult angle. एकदम अलग तरीके से, अलग डायरेक्शन से उन्होंने अपना गोल किया. Clear?
Yes, teacher.
Afterwards, in the second half of the match, the Indian team found a firm footing. फिर उनको एक जगह मिल गई है, okay? कि यहाँ हम अभी खेल सकते हैं. The entire team played as one and more 3 more goals against the Germany. फिर पूरा entire team started playing and कितने goals बनाए वो लोग ने? They made 3 more goals against the Germany. 2 of them were made by the captain of Indian team, Dhyan Chand. 2 किसने बनाया? Who made a 2 goal?
Dhyan Chand.
Who was Dhyan Chand? He was the captain of the
Indian team.
Yeah. However, the German players were also trying their level best to win. They too succeed in making 1 goal. Then German player also trying their level best to win. So how many goals they made? How many goals they made? Why both of you not answering? Kedar, where you are looking? Germany.
2 goals.
How many goals Germany made?
1 goal. 1 goal.
Yeah, because India first made and then afterwards they made a 3 goal, and but Germany did not made any goal. Afterwards, Germany also trying their best to win. So they are making 1 goal. Now only a few last minute were left. Only few time was left. Dhyan Chand has resolved to win the match at any cost. सब किसका रहता है ना कि अभी मुझे win होना है तो I have to do something, whatever is possible. I will put my 100% to win the match. So Dhyan Chand also decided to win the match anyhow. So Germany to make any more goals, his spiked shoes were making it difficult for him to run fast on wet ground. Spiked shoes मतलब उसके flat shoes रहते हैं, right? So उसके वजह से he was unable to run fast because the ground was full of wet. It was wet, so he was unable to run fast. He removed the shoes and socks and began to run barefoot. Barefoot matlab without shoes. And he started running using an amazing skill of dribbling. Amazing trick of dribbling means हम लोग वो जो उनका हॉकी स्टिक है उसको ऐसे जोर जोर से बॉल पे मारना, right? That is called dribbling. Patting the ball, bang, like striking the ball. To send one pass after another, the player in the D, that is the defenders or opponent area where they could make a goals. किसके अगेंस्ट? उनके डिफेंडर से दूर हटा हटा के बॉल को पास कर रहे थे. Here you got the what D means here, capital D. Can you see?
The capital D means defenders.
Yeah, they are defenders. Defender मतलब opponents. Opponents मतलब जो भी उनके against था. Who was against Indian team?
Germany.
Germany was against the team. Okay. Now they too did not let the passes go waste. The Indian team scored 3 more goals. Dhyan Chand could have easily made the goals himself from his own position, but he never played a selfish game. Dhyan Chand could alone played a game. He could alone win a game, but he did not want like कि मैं ही खेलूं और मेरा ही नाम होए. He did not do that. He passed the game to his another Indian team player. Skillfully, he took the ball away from the German defenders and made it possible for players in the D to score goals. मतलब उन्होंने डिफेंडर से बॉल ले लेके पास किया है अपने प्लेयर्स के and they did the goals. Now the German strategy has proved fruitless. Fruitless मतलब उनका strategy did not work there, right? It did not fruitful. वो काम नहीं आया. A defend Ali, what are you seeing, dear? Just pay attention. A defense stared them in the face. वो लोग देखने लग गए. Some of the frustrated German player and resorted to rough game. एक होता है ना आफ्टर समटाइम्स किसको गुस्सा आ जाता है कि हमें तो गोल करने मिल रहा ही नहीं है. So German people get aggressive. So the German goalkeeper pounced on a ध्यानचंद and hurt him. क्या क्या जोर से वो बॉल को फेंका और ध्यानचंद got hurt. But the Dhyanchand was a true soldier. He was true soldier. After a little first aid, उसको first aid दिया and he immediately returned to the field and held the spectator spellbound with his game. उन्होंने अपना game फिर से शुरू किया. Okay. Now Ali, just read where I stopped.
The Germany strategy had fruitless. A defeat started them in the face. Some of the frustrated Germans led then report to a rough game.
No, dear, I stopped here at last in between. That's why I used to
Teacher,
tell
I
you.
will read.
Yes,
Teacher, I will read.
yes, Kedar, read and show where we stopped.
I
Yes,
last
busy,
his
Ali. Wait. Ali, where
Yes,
are
teacher.
you? What work? What important work you are doing right now? Just pay attention, dear. Yes. It is an interesting lesson, okay? Yes. Kedar, start reading.
At last, he scored the last goal of the match. Just as the game drew to the close, the Indian team that had won third time in the row. It was a hat trick. Indians were the third time winner of the Olympic gold medal. All
Yes, stop. So at last he scored the last goal of the match. Just the game drew to close. It about to close. The Indian team had won third time in a row. And it was hat trick. Indian were the third time winner of the Olympic gold medal. Although Hitler left the stadium before the match was over, जो वहां पे Hitler came to support the Germany, he left the stadium. He was impressed by the Dhyanchand games. He said that German dictator had offered Dhyanchand a higher salary. And rank in German army if he agreed to play on behalf of Germany. What Hitler offered to Dhyanchand, that he gave him high salary and he asked him to join German army and he has to play in behalf of Germany. But the Dhyanchand turned down to the offer, but he did not accept the Hitler offer. After the celebrated victory in the Olympics, Hitler awarded a special gold medal to Dhyanchand. You may be aware that hockey is our national sports. Yes?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So Major Dhyanchand birthday, August 29, is celebrated as a national sports day in India. The famous national stadium in Delhi is named after the great hero Dhyan Chand. Who knows, perhaps one of you may carry the legacy of Dhyan Chand further and win the great glory for our country. The way Dhyan Chand did, did for our nation, he did not accepted the offer from the Hitler. He won Olympics for our nation. He got a, he was like in other country, he was like flying colors for our nation, right? So this way, so we have to also fought for our nation. We should not, right? We always praise our nation. Yes. So now, and he was also the soldier. So now here you can see the lifeless hockey sticks used to come alive in the hands of Dhyan Chand. When he was dribbled, the ball just wouldn't leave his stick. You know what the people of German, what they thought कि इसके बैट में कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. That's why he could goal this much. Okay, so what they did, they stole his, उन्होंने उनका stick चुराया and broke and opened to see whether it contained any glue or a magnet. That doubt was there in German's mind. So Dhyan Chand was even made to play with the other ordinary stick, but even then his play was charismatic as ever. Okay, वो normal stick से भी जीत सकते हैं. He don't need only his stick, but that doubt was there in German's mind. Dhyan Chand's real name was Dhyan Singh. What was his real name?
Dhyan Singh.
He was a soldier in the Indian Army. He couldn't practice his game during the day. The day he did not practice because he used to be busy in his duty as a soldier. वो soldier में उनका his job was as a soldier, but his interest was there to play as a hockey player. That is why he used to practice at night in moonlight. It is believed that his coach fondly began to call him Dhyan Chand. Chand is meaning moon. उनका नाम क्या था? ध्यान सिंह था, right? लेकिन उनका जो कोच थे, he gave him name ध्यान चंद. Chand meaning means moon. The name is stay with him. Clear? This lesson is clear to you? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Now there are few meanings, okay? Like waterlogged means completely the ground is completely filled with water. Yes, it become wet. Now postpone meaning, Ali, postpone. Ali, you don't like English? Yes? You don't like English?
Not teacher.
So you don't like English? That you mean to say?
Not teacher. I like news.
You like English, but you are yawning every time you're yawning. It says ki you don't like English because maths you are so enthusiastic. But you are giving answer. But in English you are like in sleepy mood. Today you are not in a mood to study. Ali?
Not teacher. Not teacher.
Yes, no, you can study. No, English is also part of our study. So we have to study, right, dear? Okay, and how you are studying maths, fatafat answer, then you are very alert during the maths class, but English class you are feeling like sleepy kind of. Okay, so now what is the postpone meaning?
Change the time of match.
Okay, novel.
New.
Barefoot means what? Barefoot.
Without any shoes.
Without
shoes.
Without shoes. Fruitless. Fruitless कब बोलेंगे कि your this strategy is fruitless. Fruitless मतलब useless. Yes.
Finish.
Yeah. Fruitless means useless. Pounced. Pounced मतलब
इस पर भी हेल्प करना.
yeah, फेंकना, ऐसे जोर से फेंका, you pounced that. Okay. Now, host of the name the following. Where Kedar has gone, he left the meeting, right? Host of the 1936 Olympic Games. Who was that host?
Germany.
Ruler of Germany.
Hitler.
Not comfortable with the wet ground. Who was not
Indian team.
yeah, scored the first goal in the match. कहीं से देखना नहीं है, आपने अभी जो पढ़ा है, आपको जो समझ में आया, वॉट एवर आई हैव एक्सप्लेन दैट यू अंडरस्टूड, वो सोच समझ के बोलो. यस, कहीं से आंसर देखना नहीं है डियर, बिकॉज इन एग्जाम यू अगर कुछ भी नहीं आया तो आप एटलीस्ट यू कैन राइट. आपको अगर कुछ समझा तो आप कौन सा भी क्वेश्चन कभी भी लिख सकते हो, राइट? सो डोंट हैव टू लर्न कि ये हाँ इसका आंसर ये. You give your own answer, then I will tell कि this is right or wrong. Okay, come on.
I don't think.
Yes, did not let the passes to go waste.
Indian team.
Captain of the Indian team.
Major Dhyanchandani.
Very good. Pounced on a Dhyan Chand and hurt him. Who pounced?
German team.
Third time winner of the Olympic gold medal for hockey.
Indian team.
Yeah, very good. So yes, this was just there. What the following phrases in your own sentence? Language study, verbs, pounced and hurt. Read the highlight word, they are verb. Okay. So pounced and hurt. And then you have to use the following phrases in your own sentence. So can you tell me first one, make your own sentence of be sure of. Yes. कोई भी sentence बनाओ as per your choice. Make a sentence. Try dear, कुछ तो try करो कि be sure of. Yes. Come on, कुछ तो try करो.
I be sure of to try and study books.
Again, can you repeat?